Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit 0. I'm joined by Unico Nontwana.
Okay. Hey, give me a phone, Steve.
Chuchu. Yazi ntwana isa rikupa ne. Yeah, ethusa relaxilo seza ne Steve ne. Ngifuna ukuthi mina ne. This celebration, people must not stop us from celebrating. This celebration, I want it to be felt by our neighbors. And then while I'm here, Bati, Zulu, I don't know Zulu, Bati, Washaya Inja, Kupuma, Umnigas, Gifuna Ganjalo, they must allow us to celebrate. And then there our neighbors, Umtwana, Uzelwe, Wakula, Wangenu Skolo, Wasebenza. Without a cup, nothing. Too much. Even now, I don't want to lie. I don't want to make it a secret. I don't wish Sundowns to win the star. I don't wish them. I wish I could figure out 3-1. Because of money doesn't play football. This is Pirate. Pirate is playing only with 3 foreign nationals, with local players. The majority dominating Orlando Pirates is local players. We are not playing with money. We are not a rich team. We are a big team. We are a soccer playing team. So Pirate, we are going to celebrate it. They like it or they don't like it. We are going to celebrate. So Let's
do it, Maloban. Ute. Coach. Roy winning league.
Yes. Yes.
No, you see my career, you win.
Yes.
Sharp up again, sharp.
Thank you, Jaka.